Hello people, welcome back to my channel. Another very interesting and very powerful video. Today I will talk about once again the CPA marketing, and I'll be telling you which all offers to promote, where to promote, on which secret sites to promote. Okay, watch the video till the end. This will be very powerful video. I will explain each and everything. If you stay consistent for a week and implement the strategy, definitely you will get a lot of leads. All right, so without wasting any time, let's just dive straight to the video. See, this is the dashboard of the CPA grip account, and what you have to do, always rule number one, always promote the high converting offer. High converting offer means the high EPC. When you click over here, offer tool, my offers, and over here you need to select United Kingdom from the drop down section, and here you will get this offer. Take this survey for a reward. You can become a millionaire. These are the UK offers. These are converting very well. Okay. See, the EPC is 0.13. The EPC is 0.016. So first, this is the high converting offer. You can promote these two offers. Okay. The both are high converting offers. Rest they are not converting at all. All right. Because a lot of people, they just sign up using VPN and they don't get leads, and they just message me, sir, we just filled the survey offer, still it is not showing on our CPA grip account. So always promote the high converting offer. Okay, these are the offers. And second one is MaxBounty. They have plenty of good offers that can be converted very well. I'll tell you on which secret traffic source you need to promote these offers so that you get instant result. Okay, within few hours. Just watch the video till the end. See, on MaxBounty, click over here, browse. This is the dashboard of the interface of the MaxBounty. Click over here, browse, and over here you need to click here, trending. This means all the offers which are in trending, they will just pop up. Okay, these are all the offers which are converting very well, and I have been noticing that these are all the offers which have been on MaxBounty for the last 2 to 3 years. Okay, so promote these offers. See, this is the offer: take surveys, get paid. This is one of the best offer from USA, Canada, Australia. It converts really best. Take survey, get paid. You instantly, it will reflect on your MaxBounty dashboard the moment if someone fills the email address. Okay, this is the best offer: take survey, get paid, survey junkie offer. All right. So promote this offer or promote these offers. Inbox dollar, survey voices, get a Visa gift card. So I'm just telling you what offer you need to promote so that you get instant leads. These are the high converting offers. A lot of people, they make mistake of choosing the wrong offer and they are just sending the traffic. Okay. So these are the high converting offers. Now there comes the traffic. The traffic is, if you want to go for free traffic, I mean only your $5 will be invested, then there's a website known as truesweepstakes.com. Okay, a lot of people, a lot of affiliate marketers, they are promoting on this website. Okay, I'm pretty sure very few people knows about this website. So you should take advantage of this. Truesweepstakes.com is the website. See, people are promoting the offers: win a $1,000 Kroger grocery gift card. Okay, win fishing gear and extras. See, these are all the USA offers: win a $1,000 PC console upgrades. Okay, these are all the CPA offers. All right, you can just come on this website, join, click over here, join. You will get this page like this. It's very simple. Just set up a username, email, password. That's it. Okay, and just start posting an ad on this website. At the time of checkout, they will ask for $5 or and your ad will be $5 or $10, and your ad will be posted here for a month, for a week, however you select. All right, so take advantage of this website. This is one of the best for CPA offers. Okay, you can promote all these offers. These are all the offers: Index Dollar, Survey Junkie, Survey Voices, and genuine traffic. Then I would recommend you to go for plugrush.com, because there are a lot of people, they don't have money to invest in paid ads, but they want result faster, and they don't want free traffic also. Okay, so if you are one of those, then go to this website plugrush.com. They have a very cheap pop under traffic. Try to run campaign on this website. You can start for $5 per day. Minimum deposit is $25. Okay, but you can run a campaign for $5 per day, and you will be getting genuine traffic, no bot traffic at all. Okay, so promote the gift card offers. Always remember, always promote the high converting offers. And this is the website plugrush.com. Now, don't comment me in the comment section that show us how to do practical. See, I have shown practical step by step in my premium CPA marketing course. Okay, the link is in description of this video, where I have shown all free methods, paid methods, black hat methods. Okay, just check out that and stay consistent with that. Definitely you will get a lot of leads. So there's a link in the description of my premium CPA marketing course. All right, so take advantage of this plugrush.com if you want cheap paid traffic. Second two websites, I would recommend you definitely go for these two websites, because no one knows about this and no one is taking advantage of this. If you have only $10, $20 total budget, then go for this website. For just $1 you will be getting 1,000 people if you advertise on this website. Okay, promote 10 offers at least. If you have a MaxBounty account, promote all these offers. Okay, one, two, three, four, the top converting offers. If you have a CPA Grip account, promote the CPA Grip offers. Okay, and run a campaign on this website. All right, if you don't have $10, $20, just borrow from someone, pay him later, or get a job, save some money, at least $20 to $50, save some money. You can do that if you want to do online marketing. Okay, CPA marketing. I hope you are getting my points. Run campaign on these websites, coinpayu.com. See, these websites exist because they are getting traffic. Okay, promote on this website, coinpayu.com, all email submit offers. And if you don't know how to do that, I have shown in my premium course how to do all this. Okay, the second one is AYELads.com. AYELads.com. This is one of the best websites. See, 0.005 per click. See, 1,000 impressions from 0.003. You will be getting more than 1,000 people for just $1. Okay, see, these, you, everyone knows about Bing ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, but they don't know about these websites. These are the hidden websites, black hat sites. They get genuine visitors. Okay, they get genuine visitors. If you have an offer for make money online gift card offers, then I would highly recommend you to go for these websites. Okay, you're not spending anything at all. $5 $10 is nothing if you want to go big in CPA marketing. All right, so I hope you got my